VA seller concession rule. Let's go ahead and talk about that. There's a lot of confusion out there, so I just wanted to kind of clear up some of that confusion. So the VA gives a clear distinction between what VA seller concessions are and what VA closing costs are. So you get two buckets, right? One of them has a limit to actually how much you can contribute, and the other one doesn't. So the seller concessions has a limit of 4%. The VA closing costs, there's no limit to that. So as a seller, you can contribute to both. It's just what classifies each of those. So let me give you some examples. So with seller concessions, that's things like the VA funding fee, buying furniture for the veteran, paying off the veteran's credit card bills, things of personal value like that. On closing costs, that's things like your appraisals, or your title fees, your lender fees, prepaids and escrows. That actually has no limit to the amount. So as a seller, you can contribute to the closing cost and to the seller concessions up to 4%. So whatever falls into those buckets, just be diligent of that. One that would kind of be a little confusing would be like points, right? Some lenders charge points to the veteran to get better rates, right? Anything above 2% would fall into seller concessions, right? So up to 2% would be customary. So you can contribute to that, and anything over that. So if, let's say you needed to do 3 points, 1 point of that would be considered seller concessions. So hope that clears up some of the confusion. Chris Arnold, VA Loan Warrior. I'm happy to help. Feel free to reach out, and remember, it matters who you work with.